Welcome back,
What's
guys.
going on, gang? What's up with y'all, man? Thank y'all for tuning in to our channel. We are the Hayes, man. I am Jeremiah.
I'm Daisy. For
Thank
those
you
of
guys,
you who don't
man,
know.
for tuning in to this. We just want to go ahead and say we did the 24-hour challenge, man. We just hopped out the shower, got dressed, feeling way better,
Already.
man. Hands are free.
Free.
Hands are free. We ain't
Nothing.
cuffed. So, actually feel way better.
Yes. I can use my hand again. So much better, guys.
But thank you guys, man. Hopefully y'all like this whole challenge thing, 24-hour handcuff challenge, man. I really hope y'all like it. Press like before anything.
Yes. Please like it
Subscribe
now.
to the gang, man.
Please. So stay tuned. We're going to upload our 24-hour challenge for you guys.
It is a 24-hour challenge, so it is long. So stay tuned, y'all.
Stay tuned, guys.
So here we are, y'all. Handcuffed. Y'all can see that she gotta get in.
On this side.
Get in, baby.
Oh, man.
I ain't getting in.
So I don't know how I'm gonna drive. How am I drive? Look, y'all, it's hurting me already. Y'all should not try this at home. Don't try this at home. It's not even tight, but it's just like the pulling and tugging from each other. I think that's gonna fuck us up.
And we did get this challenge from Landon
And Shyla,
So
L&S Gang.
L&S Gang, man. If y'all
Forever.
ain't seen a handcuff 24-hour challenge, man, L&S Gang did it. And
Check them out.
Check them out, please. Go check them out, man. What up, L&S Gang?
We look
Shout out
up
to y'all,
to them
man.
too.
Shout out to y'all, man. If y'all into the Ace family, man, L&S Gang is the Ace family, man.
They are part of it.
Man. We are the Ace family. L&S Gang, we a part of y'all family too, man. Get over it.
That's how it feels. You pulling me. You understand
We the best
We the best.
Major Key.
Major Key.
DJ
Khaled. I go on and on. Can't understand how it lasts so long. I must have superpowers. Last 223,000 hours. And it's cause I'm off of CC. And I'm off the Hennessy. And like your boy from Compton. You know this ain't free. I got girls that I should've made pay for it. Got girls that I should've made wait for it. I got girls that I cancel the flight back home. Stay another day for it. You got attitude on 99. On agua. Stomach on flat. And your booty on what's that? Yeah, I need it all right now. Last year I had drama, girl, not right now. I was never gonna chat what we talking about. You the only one I know can fit it all. Man, I always wonder if you ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Or is this so good I shouldn't have been free? Is it just me? Yeah, is it just... So you guys, we are back, man. We didn't go to Hawaiian barbecue because they wouldn't let us in, and she didn't want to get back in and out. So we went to Jack in the Box. It was kind of easier, but now she still got to get back out the car.
Gotta get out the car now.
So
Still handcuffed,
let's get it. Can you get my phone? No, I got it.
Sure.
We still handcuffed, y'all. Look. God damn it.
This shit has been hurting me. I've been trying to change the radio. I can't. I've been trying to turn. I can't. I had to drive with one hand. Wait, let me turn the car off.
Okay.
I gotta turn the car off.
Okay. Guys, look at her.
Wait,
I don't know how we gonna do
I gotta
this.
get out.
But we doing it.
Wait, how are we gonna get the soda?
You gotta grab it.
Oh man. Okay. Well, I have to get out first.
Okay.
Wait. Wait, I got to go.
Uh-oh, she made it, y'all. She made it. I'm glad I ain't had to do that. I'm glad I ain't had to do that, y'all.
That's because he don't want to, man. It's so messed up. He's so messed up,
know,
yo. Wait.
You
gotta
make
close the door.
I'm in the grass. I am stepping on boo-boo.
Okay. Your pants falling?
No, not my pants. It's my jacket.
Okay. Well, come on. Come on, I gotta open the door.
Look, y'all.
Ow. You're not helping me. You keeping your hand down. Really?
Look, y'all.
Come on.
I told you my
Calm
jacket
down.
falling off. This is hard.
Wait. I gotta close
I am waiting. I'm not finna run away from you. I can't. Where I'm gonna go? Jeez. Yeah, so we made it back. Safe and sound. Everybody was looking at us crazy,
Yeah. Not cool.
but it's all right.
Not cool.
Yo, so we back, man. We're gonna tune y'all back in right now.
Wait, I can't open it. I can't open it.
So yeah, we be right back when we eat it. So
Hey
you
guys, checking in.
we are still handcuffed, and it is
2:01.
2:01
It's
PM.
only 2. Oh my god. Let me tell you, this has been a hassle.
This is a hassle.
He fell asleep, so he was cool. I was over here trying to stretch my arm, trying to promote our new video.
I'm trying to let the day go by, man. I'm trying to go to sleep.
Bathroom though is not cool.
The bathroom is the worst one, y'all.
Yeah.
That's like the hardest thing to do with these handcuffs.
Worst thing ever. Right-handed right here. Not cool. Not cool. He at least has his left hand. I ain't got my left hand. I got my right hand, so it's kind of difficult. But yeah, I guess he's gonna go back to sleep. I don't know. I'll be on Twitter and Instagram and all that good stuff. We'll see. We'll check in a few more.
At home, y'all. Don't do it.
We'll check in a few more hours, guys. Hopefully, it'll be bedtime soon.
So you guys, he's still handcuffed,
Wait.
and she got to get out the car with us handcuffed, man. This 24-hour challenge is crazy, y'all. Look,
Wait.
guys, we at the
I
bank.
need the keys in my wallet. Wait.
Not bad, y'all, but we at the bank right now, y'all, and we handcuffed. So hopefully they let us go inside, because a lot of places ain't been letting us go inside
Yeah.
because we handcuffed.
It's what time? 3:30 right now?
It's like 3:30. It's about to be 4 o'clock. Got like 6 hours to 10.
So much time.
And then we got 12 hours after that, y'all. So hopefully, you know, we be good when we go inside. Hopefully, y'all. So
Are we really, like, we're gonna stay close together?
yeah, so
But, you know.
we over here handcuffed, y'all, to each other. This 24-hour challenge, crazy. So y'all, man, we gonna tune y'all back in after we get this money. I have to play this for y'all.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. LA, number 1 hip-hop family. Born Nipsey Hussle tickets on the way. Airport tickets. Kendrick Lamar. Are you already drinking over there? What is that? Already drinking? Your timing's like what?
You can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is blood shoes. If you still, I can't get them both. I don't want the tools, and I'm quick cutting off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money moves. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money moves. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, try make bloody moves. Now she say.
Hey guys.
What up, y'all?
It is 6:10 p.m. I'm dying. I've realized it's not even 12 hours yet.
I will never do this again.
I would never either. It's just the pain in my wrist. I can stand next to him. I don't mind that. I walk around the car, everything, but
And just the tying the shoes, man, going to the bathroom, getting in
the little
the car,
things. It's
walking
the little
around.
things. It really is, though. It really is. I know it's kind of dark right now, but we're out here in LA driving home, Had to run a few errands. But yeah, we just wanted to check in real quick and just let you guys know we're still handcuffed, guys. You guys can see it. It's still there.
I'm telling you, never again. Not me.
Man.
This is the worst challenge ever.
It's just, it's painful. Because you forget. Like, if your hands are resting, you forget. You pull it, and you don't realize, and the other person, like, gets the worst part of it.
Hey, man,
Sorry.
My arm, oh, it's so numb.
No, it's not numb.
Yes, it is.
Ow!
It's
Ow,
numb.
I got a pinch.
Ow.
Ow. Yeah, guys. So we'll check in again, I guess, in a few hours.
We'll see y'all, man. Peace. We'll be right back.
Hey, guys.
So, what time it is? 8:40. It's 8:40, y'all.
Bedtime.
Bedtime, you guys, and we're still handcuffed.
Ow.
I'm kind of snacking over here with some Pop-Tart, strawberry Pop-Tarts are the best ones, y'all. Before you go to sleep, cereal, strawberry.
I'm ready to sleep. I'm so ready to sleep. So, we'll tune in tomorrow morning, guys. I'll let you know.
Peace.
Peace.
So, good morning, gang.
Morning.
We over here still handcuffed, and it is 7:59, damn near 8 o'clock in the morning. Ah, man, sleeping with it was the hardest thing ever. Using the bathroom. Oh, man, I still gotta go put on my shoes, still gotta brush my teeth, y'all. She gotta put on her makeup.
Yeah.
You know, it's a hassle. So,
Big hassle. Don't try this.
look, I did see the time, right? Let me show y'all again. So, 7:59.
And I'm tired. We didn't really get too much sleep. Every time I would turn, I'd forget I had them, and I would go. He'd wake up.
So yeah, man, we're gonna tune back in, man. When it's 10 something. You know, we're ready to get these handcuffs off
I
of
know,
us.
when it's 9, man, I'm ready to get them on.
Yeah, so when I get out, I'm about to be doing the running man up here.
I'm so ready.
Hope y'all stay tuned to that. I'll be doing the running man when I'm done. What's up, y'all, man? It is 10:19, guys.
Yes.
10:19, and it
I'm
hurt.
so tired of this.
Man, it hurt. I can't wait to get out of these cuffs.
gotta show you
swear, I
guys.
gotta take a shower, man.
I gotta shower.
Like,
Gotta get changed.
Dude.
Gotta get dressed.
worst challenge ever, man.
Got the key right here. I'm so ready.
Can't wait, you
I'm
guys.
so ready.
It's still 10:19, you guys.
This shit, I swear it bruised. Like, it bruised my wrist. Don't ever try this. I don't know if y'all can see. Scoot it up, baby. I don't know if y'all can see my wrist. So.
Oh yeah, we gonna show them our wrist. Y'all need
It's
to
so
see
bad.
this.
It's so bad. This is 10:20.
Don't do this challenge at home, y'all.
It's 10:20 yet?
No.
God, we're so ready. Don't pull. Don't pull.
Need help, baby.
Okay. The other way. There you go. Sorry. The
Y'all
lighting.
can see it better, man. The lighting.
Y'all can see this part right here. I don't know if y'all can see this right here. It's like bad. Like red. Bad. Can y'all see?
Mine's just like stuck. I couldn't take my watch off.
Y'all see? Y'all see this? I know y'all see this. Right here. Baby, it's 10:20.
It is 10:20, you guys.
mine off
10:20. So, hold on. I gotta show you guys. It is 10:20. Yesterday it was 10:20 when we first started this challenge. Please take it off of me, please. Ouch.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
my hand's so numb.
Oh my God,
Ooh,
guys, don't
you got so
ever
many lines.
try this at home. Ever.
Hey.
It hurts so
I got
bad.
tattoos on my arm, so y'all really ain't gonna see it, but it is dented.
Shit, the shit would go down and it would get stuck right here.
I'm so glad to get
It feels so weird though. It feels weird.
Thank you.
It doesn't feel
Get
weird.
away from me.
It doesn't feel weird though to use your hand.
Yeah.
It feels weird to use your hand again.
God. I got my other hand and it's so free.
I got my right hand back. Yeah, I got my right hand. This is my hand. This is my dominant
Man,
hand.
don't try this challenge at home, man. This is the worst challenge ever.
Yeah, just don't.
So horrible.
Do it 10 minutes, maybe. Maybe 10 minutes. But don't do it 24 hours. Just not 24 hours. But yeah, so we'll close this video out.
We'll close this one out, man. We'll see y'all again. You know, we ain't gonna stop it. We ain't gonna never stop it, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the gang, man. Join the fam, man. Join the squad, man.
You know what our Wi-Fi is called? We should tell them what our Wi-Fi is called.
Our Wi-Fi in our car is.
Our Wi-Fi in our car is DNJ Gang. So if y'all want to join the gang,
join the gang, man.
You know,
it's Daisy.
Daisy for
I am Jeremiah, man.
So yeah, guys, tune in.
Thank you guys in this 24-hour challenge, man.
Tune in to our next video though, because our next video is gonna be so awesome.
Yeah, I gotta wax my
wax
arm.
his armpit.
I gotta wax my arm, guys. I lost in the donut challenge.
Armpit. So you know we gotta get rid of these hairs right here.
It's gonna hurt. Austin, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna cut my hair.
He's talking to the Ace family. He's talking to Austin. He says he can do it.
I'm gonna do
You're
it.
not gonna cut your hairs first? What you mean you're gonna cut them?
I'm gonna cut them.
What you mean? I'm gonna trim them.
Okay, you can trim
because you're gonna trim them too much.
Alright.
And then I'm not gonna be able to wax nothing.
Alright.
You cheater. Yeah.
Woo! It's gonna
so we're
hurt.
gonna get it.
I know it is, but
Thank
I'm
you
gonna
guys.
get it. Y'all stay tuned, man.
Thank you guys for inspiring us. Honestly, I haven't seen Austin and Catherine try this challenge, so I really would enjoy seeing that done now, especially. That would be awesome. And Landon and Charlotte, shout out to you guys. Thank
shout
you guys.
Out to you guys.
Because
man.
of you guys, we
Gang,
did this challenge. We love you guys as well, just as much. Trey, we watch your videos all the time. We love your music.
Yeah, Ryan, man, your videos is great, man.
Dope.
You're doing a good job, man.
The best. I love the art, by the way. He knows how to draw as well.
Yeah, so man, I'm gonna tune y'all in on my art too one day.
He'll tune you guys into that, but he knows how to draw as well. But Ryan's art is like no other. Like it's for it to be done so fast is what I'm saying, because he takes his time with his. But you know, like that to me was quick. Like damn, how'd you finish that in one day? But yeah, we really love you guys, Ace family, L&S Gang, Trey, Ryan's eyes. We love. All
everybody,
y'all.
Man. All
we love
y'all
all y'all.
family, man.
YouTube,
family,
if we're YouTube, we're family.
We all a gang, man. We all a family,
man.
I can't wait to meet y'all, man. If it is, man. But we're gonna go ahead and tune this out, man. Make sure y'all press that subscribe button.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Hit it, smack it, lick it, pick it up, drop it, roll on it, stump on it, man.
Everything.
Yeah, do everything you want to do too.
Okay. All right. All right.
All right, y'all. We're gonna be back with more videos.
Bye,
though,
guys.
Man. Peace.
Hey guys, so I know he said he was gonna do the Running Man when he was done. I did catch a glimpse of him doing it as soon as we finished. So let me roll the clip for you guys.